Big news on Delhi's AQI. The national capital recorded its best air quality in 8 years. Latest data shows Delhi NCR's average AQI from January to October this year stood at 170, the cleanest since year 2018, excluding the COVID year, of course. Notably, not a single severe pollution day so far in the year 2025. It went up to very poor category, but not severe as of now. And the city logged 79 satisfactory air quality days, the highest in last 8 years. The city's air is still unhealthy. However, the capital's overall AQI this morning stands at 237, firmly in the poor category. Let's take a look at the latest readings across the key stations. First up, Wazirpur with 328. Then comes Anand Vihar at 292. Then we have ITO at 272. Narela at 279. Vivek Vihar at 277 and Sonia Vihar at 274. Delhi Environment Minister Majinder Singh Sirsa this morning inspected pollution control measures and the ambient air quality monitoring system in Anand Vihar.
तेरह ऐसे हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं जिनके ऊपर सबसे ज्यादा AQI रहता है, पोल्यूशन जहां से शुरू होता है। उन 13 के 13 हॉटस्पॉट्स के ऊपर हमारी सरकार निरंतर काम कर रही है। सभी हॉटस्पॉट्स को एक्स्ट्रा मॉनिटरिंग करी जा रही है। परसों से एक नए प्लान के तहत हमने काम शुरू किया था, जिस प्लान का काफी इफेक्टिवली नजर आया। उसी प्लान के चलते आज आनंद विहार जो बस स्टॉप है, इसकी इंस्पेक्शन थी इस हॉटस्पॉट की। इसके बाद शालीमार बाग और नॉर्थ दिल्ली में शोक विहार जाएंगे। हमारा मकसद है कि किसी तरीके के जो हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं उन पे जो ट्रैफिक कंजेशन है, उन पे जो रोड मैनेजमेंट के काम नहीं हुए, इन सभी के ऊपर एक डीप प्लानिंग के तहत काम किया जा रहा है। माननीय रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार ने आते ही पोल्यूशन के अगेंस्ट जंग लड़नी शुरू की। उसमें जो 4 बड़े काम किए थे, आज उनका सार्थक परिणाम दिख रहा है।
About some more details on the current situation from my colleague Aparna Jha. Let's take a look at the report that she got for us.
From past 2 days, we saw that there was a slight improvement in the air quality index in Delhi and NCR region. But from yesterday evening, the air quality again started deteriorating. I'm here at Anand Vihar, which is one of the hotspot of Delhi's pollution, and we have been continuously reporting the air quality from here. If I talk about the current air quality index, then it's above 300, which means the air quality still falls under very poor category. Also, according to the data of Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, the air quality index recorded at several monitoring stations fell under very poor, and some even fell under poor category. So to control the deteriorating air quality in Delhi and NCR region, the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, has even banned the entry of all BS3 and below standard commercial vehicles from November 1. Now remember viewers that from Diwali we saw that the air quality continuously started deteriorating, and after that first GRAP 1 measure and later GRAP 2 measure was also implemented, under which in several areas anti-smoke guns and water sprinklers were deployed to tackle pollution level. With camera person Vijay, Aparna Jha, News 9 Delhi.